everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. We're here at the Ritz-Carlton Shanghai Pudong side. Just arrived. I want to thank Huawei as a sponsor for providing my travel sponsorship. I'm going to take a quick room tour. So Pudong side is opposite of the Bund side. And we're on the city side. Opposite side of this tower has a view of the river. So this is one of the tallest buildings in the world, next to one of the other tallest buildings in the world. Amazing city view. There is a mall downstairs. So we're on the city side. It's very quiet up here. So you have a desk, phone, some chairs. They even included my name. That's cool. Amazing restroom. Awesome tub. And the shower has the square rain up here. And then here's the restroom here. But the sinks are incredible. All right, and that's the Ritz-Carlton Shanghai Pudong.